Hi, good morning, everybody. Mrs. Elm here for your morning message. M. Powell. All right, so I wanted to explain to you your assignments for today and your graded assignments from yesterday again. Okay, so here are the lesson plans. So today, your assignment is for reading is to do I Read or Read to Self for 25 minutes. And for math, you're going to go into ClassLink and do I Ready Math for 25 minutes. So that's pretty simple to do. Yesterday, you need to make sure you've done your monster multiplication math worksheet. That's for a grade. Also yesterday for a grade, I need to see a picture of your table of contents from your writing. And then you can put it on Seesaw or email it to me. With the math, you can email this to Miss Strickland. Today for your social studies, you can look up Girl Scout cookies. You can pick your favorite Girl Scout cookie and write an opinion piece about why that cookie is the best. So I typed into Google Girl Scout cookies, and then it comes up here with like the different choices. Girl Scout cookies. So that's how you can, if you've never had one, you can guess. There's like descriptions of what they are on the internet. Here's all the cookies. Okay, what I want to tell you before we go is on Monday, so we are not allowed to use Zoom anymore. And Zoom is what we've been using to do our video chats. And we are not allowed to use Zoom anymore. We are going to start using Microsoft Teams. And I'm going to try to have a meeting on Monday morning with all of you on Microsoft Teams. And I want all of you to try to get on. It'll be at 9:15 or 9:30 on Monday. I haven't scheduled it yet, but I want you to go ahead and put that on your in your mind for Monday, because on Tuesday morning, Miss Myers is going to do a counseling session with you guys on Microsoft Teams. So I want Monday for everybody to try to use it to see if you can log in and see how to do it. So I'm going to share my screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your ClassLink. Then you're going to find the orange, like with the blue we've done. This is where we typed our poems. You're going to click, it says Microsoft Office 365. And then it says Microsoft Teams. So this is where you're going to go on Monday morning. And try to join our meeting. And some of us, it might be tricky because I've never used it before. And I bet not a lot of you have used it before. So we're just going to try our best, and we're going to, we're not going to do any learning on Microsoft Teams on Monday, just so I can give everybody time to log on. And then on Tuesday will be our video chat with Miss Myers. That'll be really fun. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I do not have a lot of your table of contents from yesterday. So if you have not finished your table of contents for writing, go ahead and try to send that to me today. It's due on Sunday. And I am entering in grades, so is Miss Strickland. So send us the graded work, one for math, one for language arts this week, or for writing. All right, guys, have a good Friday. Have an awesome weekend. See you guys Monday.